back at you again, and today I'm doing the Dayton Scott challenge. So you have to do this challenge in 7 minutes, you guys. I don't know how I'm gonna do this one, but hey, it's coming from the Dayton Live show. Shout out to him. And I got some fries here, large fries. I'm gonna fill in the bag. My Big Mac, chicken sandwich. Let me go ahead and pour these fries out from the bag. Soft drink. Okay. All right, so let's build her up, huh? All right, let me see here. So I hope you guys are having a good day today. Sorry, it's been a while, and I'm also sorry I didn't do Meditation Sundays because the video came in late. It was after midnight, so I'll be having Meditation Sundays for this Sunday coming up. All right. Got the chicken sandwich. That look good. That look good. Put that on the side. Hold on. I may try to save this bun for another time or something. Okay. All right. Oh, let me put the patty. I don't like pickles. I should have said no pickles. It's crazy. I don't like pickles on my sandwich, but I like to eat pickles. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh, they got some. Dump these fries. Dump them. I'll probably start with my fries first, y'all, because, honey, I'll probably do a little bit of both because I don't like cold fries. Ooh. You know they only good for so long. All right. Let me put on my timer. Ooh, boy, this was lots of food. All right. Clock. And we have 7 minutes to do so. You guys know the drill. When it goes off, when it beeps, I'm done. All right, 7 minutes. Okay, y'all. 7 minutes. Clear my throat. Let me clear my throat. All right, time starts now. You know what, y'all? I never had a large fry from McDonald's. I'm used to small and medium. Try for this sandwich. See how this tastes. this down a little bit. And we have the McChicken. They don't have spicy chicken. It looks spicy though, but I don't know if it's the same or what. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Oh. Fries is down. I love McDonald's fries. Mm-mm-mm. Boy, this is a hood burger right here. Mm. I got a minute and 22 seconds left, y'all. Mm-mm-mm. Oh. Whew. Oh boy. Well, like the old saying goes, almost doesn't count. But you know what? I'm a winner in my eyes because it's hard for me to even get down a Big Mac. So hey, I'm a winner. Well, until next time, my party people, peace and love.